What's cracking, adventurers? Welcome to this episode. I'm back at Bayview Beach. I saw some shad the other day, so I've got one rod in the water for some shad, baited up with pilchard, and another one, the big boy, baited up with pop. And I've got the big boy baited up with mackerel, a mackerel head, and it may look like we've got some action already. Guys, stay tuned. Let's get cracking. How you doing, adventurers? I haven't made any content in quite a while. We were blanking quite a lot nowadays. Winter fishing is not for sissies, and it's not even that cold yet. The other day I was busy fishing the same spot and something bit my dangle in half. So what I've done now is I've got a swivel and a swivel. Running in between it, I've got a steel cable and another hook attached inside of the paracord dangle. So hopefully next time if something bites me over here, hopefully I can get it hooked over there. It's going to be a trial and error, but I think I'm going to bait this one up and see what happens. Yo guys, a little trick that I learned on TikTok from Mr. Fish SA, Dean Dickinson, is these little eyes. So I'm going to try and place the eyes. They aren't the exact ones he used. I still have to go and get some, but my wife had a bit of these eyes for the kids with crafting and whatnot, so I just used a couple of them, or used a couple of these. Excuse my English. Slide it over. So we've got pilchard in the center for some nice smell in the water, as well as choco on the outside with the eyes. Let's see if oh, and we've got some movement over here, so I'm gonna reel in and attach this to the bigger rod and see if we can catch something. Just before I'm going to make the cast. Yay! Let's hope this catches something. Yeah! Lovely winter fishing. Yeah, that's a decent cast. Just behind that bank. Right, guys. So I'm officially wet, and that rod's gonna be there a while. Come on! While I'm out here, I think this might be the opportunity to share with you guys the experience of catching the bronze whaler about 3 weeks prior to this. You guys will recall a little short I posted, and I mentioned in that short that I finally got a rod and reel to start targeting the bigger ones. However, no matter where we go, no matter what we tried, no matter what bait we casted, I was just unlucky. Eventually, we visited a small little gated community in the Vleesbay area, and early morning we took a hike and scouted the waters along the coastline. Eventually we found a spot that looked perfect, and we made the cast. About 7 hours in, unfortunately nothing happened, and I still recall looking at my buddy Gerhard and telling him, listen, if something hasn't bitten by now, we might as well go home. And my words didn't even turn cold. It feels like I haven't even completed my sentence, and the next moment Larrie and my brother-in-law Jan shout at me, "Yo stock! Yo stock!" Guys, sure as hell I turn around, there's my rod, flattened out. The reel's running very similar to a black stingray, which we knew were in the water earlier on, and I started panicking. I thought, geez, if I hooked a stingray now, then it might turn out to be a long day. Anyway, my buddy, he was right behind me, took my back, and he said, just wait. Now, I picked the rod up, set the hook, and the next moment that thing, like a missile, my rod started screaming, and we knew right away we got what we came for, a bronze whaler. So guys, this is the opportunity. Have a look at the video. Unfortunately, it couldn't be an episode on its own, but let's incorporate it in this one. Enjoy. What's cracking, adventurers? So it's Workers' Day, it's Wednesday, and there's no better way to spend it than coming out to the ocean, making a couple of casts, and see what Mother Nature's prepared to give us today. However, we've made 1 or 2 casts. I've got some guys with me, and we're targeting the big ones today. So I've got fingers crossed, really hoping to finally hook a big one and bring it in. Maybe we chose the wrong spot. The water is extremely cold. It actually hurts when I wade in. But nonetheless, we're making the best out of this, and see if we can hook something. So gentlemen, I got what I came for apparently. We've got to run. Guys, so I just had a real good run. And he made a good jump over there.
wat drink. Sê dit as jy moeg raak, né? Nee. As jy moeg raak nie. Kom, ons vanaf van hierdie ding. Stop. Right side. Kom dit af. Ja, het vaai lekker. In de bed.
Just want to give a huge thank you to Larrie from ZA Coastal Fishing for landing the fish and for Gerhard for helping out. So this strong female Bronzie had definitely won a fight before. There was a broken hook stuck in the corner of her mouth along with ours. We did the responsible thing and removed both hooks. Unfortunately, during the release of the fish, there were no video footage taken. I assure you she was released. This fish weighed in at 81 kilograms, measuring in at 180 centimeters PCL, and she gave a hell of a fight in the cold water.
Come on, Zizi!
Let's get the second rod in. I doubt that there's no weight on this one. See what I mean, guys? Barely touched it. No, I'm done. So there we have it. Another blank. Hopefully the guys further down get something or get lucky. They've been there for about 2-3 hours. I haven't seen anything come out. And if my bait's returning like it is, fishing a hole and fishing the drop off, then I don't know. By the looks of some drone footage, also didn't see anything in the water. But a lot of times you don't see them. So, yeah, guys, I'm done. I'm gonna go get me some food and just get backing up over here. Anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, have a lekker one, guys. Stay safe.